I never thought in my life that I will leave Greece and travel so far away, and especially coming to the other side of the world, where is China. My name is Alkis. I'm 49 years old and I come from Greece, quite far away. From the very early age, I used to work to my father's workshop. He owns a big workshop with repairing heavy machinery, trucks and buses. So in the summers, other people have summer holidays with their parents. I used to work in my dad's workshop. All my jobs were between heavy equipment or bus and trucks. So I was always in that, let's say, category. I used to fly with one of the biggest helicopters in the world for firefighting reasons in Greece. All this combined knowledge from different industries made me what I am today. So it made me think completely differently. I never thought in my life that I will leave Greece and travel so far away, overseas, and especially coming to the other side of the world, where is China. Some scouters from Zoomlion found me, knocked my door with an email, asking me if I'm interested of getting here and work for a huge company like Zoomlion. And in the beginning, it felt like a joke. As it started progressing, I really started thinking of it. After a year, I'm really glad that I took that step, big step, but I'm really glad I took it because I feel really great and honored to work for a company like Zoomlion. Honestly, it was the magnitude of Zoomlion. When I discovered that Zoomlion is one of the biggest companies around the world when it comes to heavy machinery, I was really thrilled. And then the job itself, coming to the R&D department, for me it was pure R&D. It was quite a challenge I really wanted. I thought work culture and culture would be a huge issue, but it wasn't. For me, a big issue is food. So a funny thing is that in the very first 3 months I've been here, I've lost like 7 kilos. Work culture, it was really easy for me because of the people. From day one, they embrace me and they treat me like I was a brother. I feel so grateful for that. I have no word to express how much I love everybody here in Zoomlion. I consider myself as an artist. He's very careful about each brush on his painting. That's the way I see my job. I respect everybody. I love when I see people passionate about their work. And I see that a lot here in Zoomlion. I see young kids really passionate about what they're doing. When you see a telehandler, you see a machine, right? I don't see a machine. That's the big difference. I see something completely different from what you see. I can see all the mechanicals, all the fluids. I can see everything that moves that car, and I know exactly how it works. And if there is a fault in the bones or in the flesh or in the muscles, I can tell. So when a prototype comes out from the production line, usually I'm the very first person that jumps inside and spends quite a lot of time testing it. One of the other things that I really enjoy doing is delivering courses to salesmen or to mechanics or to people that they want to know more about the telehandler idea. Some of them they're happening here in the factory and some others are through the internet. I was surprised the other days because I was doing this course in South America while I was talking and explaining a few things about the telehandlers and our models, I realized the number of participants were keep adding and adding and adding. There were 1,380 participants, and I'm like, wow, I've never seen anything like that in my life before. So the amount of people actually watching that, I mean, honestly, I don't know how many of them they were actually watching it, but just the number itself says a lot to me and says a lot about Zoomlion, how big Zoomlion is. I love challenging things. If it wasn't in my blood, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be so far away from home doing what I really love to do here. Zoomlion bringing a lot of money back to where it should be spent in the R&D. And that's why this company, it's a great company. Here in Zoomlion, we're focusing on building good machines that they're easy to operate. Every Zoomlion telehandler that comes out of the production line is ready to be modified in the needs. And that's mainly because we produce our own software in the machines. So the machines are having our own software, and that gives us a huge benefit about what we can do with the actual machine. People coming here and saying, you know, we're coming from this industry and from that industry, and we need the machine to perform like that, or we need that very tiny detail. And 99% of each time, we're able to deliver that. That's the huge difference between Zoomlion machines and the other brands. I'll be really happy when I see them rolling out of the production. When I see operators coming down from the cabin and saying, you know what, that was a really good machine I just tried. For me, that's a payback. That's what makes me really happy.